What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to talk to you about something near and dear to my heart. It is what beginner traders think they need to know. I hate to tell you guys, if you're a beginner trader, the one thing that you need to know that you're not going to be taught is experience. It's going to take time for you to get used to your trades. We have a lot of traders who are, having a hard time trusting their strategies, and that's completely normal. I did it. You'll do it as well. Anybody who's just starting out in their trading, what you think you need to know is not exactly what you need to know. And what experienced traders need to know is not exactly what you are ready to learn, right? So that means that you're not exactly in a place to comprehend fully what we mean when we're trading and what we're saying when we're trading. So a lot of times it just comes down to experience. So the more experience that you have in this market, the better you'll understand what experienced traders are talking about when they give you price targets or indicator values or their setup or strategy or whatever it may be. It's going to come with experience. A lot of traders who have been trading for a short period of time, you'll find that there's a lot of information in this market. And I've been trading for years now, and I'm still learning new things almost every day in this market. So it's going to evolve. It's going to be like that. But, what helps a newer trader may not help an advanced trader. And an advanced trader, what helps them may not help a new trader. Because, maybe an advanced trader is using something like level 2 or tape reading, or maybe they're using different indicators that are going to be a little bit, require a little bit more hands-on experience with it. And a lot of beginner traders may not have that type of knowledge yet. So maybe they're just understanding what is level 2, what is that tape reading, what is the indicators, what's an indicator in general, right? So there's a big gap between beginner traders and advanced traders. So whenever you're trading with an advanced trader, try to just absorb as much knowledge as you can, soak it in, ask questions, really get involved, and don't be afraid to really, find out what's working for them. That way you can find out what works for you, because what works for me as an experienced trader may not even work for you as an experienced trader or a beginner. It may be something where you find your way is, maybe trading large float stocks or options or maybe selling puts or something, right? There's so many different ways to make money in this business. So really find what works for you. What I will say though, as a beginner trader, a lot of times a bad habit I used to have was I was jumping ship. So I would trade one strategy, then another strategy, then another strategy, just because at one time it would show results, then the next week it wouldn't. I would just trash it and move on to the next. That was a problem that I used to have, guys. So it was hard to trust into a strategy and really give it time to develop. So that was a big deal in my beginning trading. Another thing was really believing in a lot of information that you first read on the internet, what you see in YouTube videos and things like that. A lot of what you'll see that applies to day trading and swing trading and trading in general doesn't really have to do with low float stock trading. And that's what I specialize in myself. A lot of low float stocks are moving in the market. You'll see them move sometimes, 50%, 100%, sometimes 1,000%, all in a matter of hours. So that's what I specialize in, teaching traders how to really mitigate risk around that and really understand how to find those type of setups and how you can mitigate risk and really maximize your profit as well. So basically what I'm saying here is what helps a beginner trader may not help an advanced trader. What helps an advanced trader may not help a beginner trader. And it's going to be sometimes a gap between those two traders. But guys, just give it time. If you don't blow up your account, you give yourself the time to learn and grow and have that experience, just like anything else, you're going to start to learn what works for you. And that's when you really develop a strategy that you're in love with and something you can trust. So guys, if you found any value in today's video, you want to see more like it, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.
Remember, trading isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared. If you're serious about improving and want to learn directly from our live sessions, visit bullishboblive.com. We're live Monday to Friday, walking through setups, strategies, and everything in between. Thanks again for watching. Stay focused, stay sharp, and keep growing.